Hi KG1 in Imna Ta'ila Language School. How are you today? I miss you all. Today is 21st of April. We are going to talk about letter V. V. Capital V, small v. Capital V, small v. What's the sound of letter V? V. V. Okay. V is for vase. Vase. V is for vase. V is for violin. Violin. Okay. Violin is musical instrument. Okay. Vet. Vet. Vest. Vest. A vest looks like a jacket but without sleeves. Vest. Vacation. Vacation. V is for vegetables. Vegetables. Carrot and cucumber are vegetables. Okay. Now, what's the sound of letter V? V. V. How to write letter V? Start from skyline like this. Capital V. Small v between two lines like this. Capital V, small v. Okay? Let's try again. Capital V, small v. Thank you, KG. Goodbye.